Welcome to the world of modern trading, where high-frequency traders use cutting-edge tech for rapid trades, and market makers ensure liquidity. But beware of practices like quote stuffing, spoofing, and pump and dump schemes. This is the reality of a rigged market forever. But don't worry, Meta_Quant is here to help. Meta_Quant helps you anticipate market movements and decode market complexities. With Meta_Quant, we can transform a rigged market forever into a managed market for us. Let's use technology for fairness and success. We're not just traders, we're pioneers, shaping the future of trading. Remember, in this world of high-frequency trading and market making, you're not alone. Meta_Quant is with you. Here's to fair trading, and here's to us.
You came to me when I needed love. You were a gift from God and you showed me what love is. Show me what love is. You've been better to me than I've been to myself. I don't want love from no one else but you. See, all I want is you. Me. I'm the man I'm supposed to be because of you. Me because of you, because of you. I'm loving. I'm loving. Everything you do for me each day. Brought me all this way. I'm loving.
True. Y'all good?
That's all right.
You enjoying it so far? Thank you being out tonight with me. I love you guys so much.
That's all.
Especially on a cold light night like this. Keeping each other warm in here. I have a new album coming out, and I want to introduce you guys to someone that's an amazing DJ and a singer as well. Mona Lee, check this out. Come on up, man. One of my friends, I like calling my friends out. You want to use this mic or your mic?
Yeah, well, I can use mine.
You want to use yours? Check this out. This is going to be fun.
Good evening, y'all. How are you doing? Well, I'm super grateful to be here. So, yeah, it's the first time we actually bring this together. So let's do it. Woo! what we live for.
I'm gonna have some fun with this.
Ooh, yeah.
We're gonna break this thing way, way down to just show you understand.
That is what we live